Hello today. Hello everyone. It's Shiny Vaporeon. Yes, you know that. Today I went by GameStop and I picked up this Shining Legends Darkrai GX. Yeah, I don't even know really the point of why I got this. I just kind of thought, well, I collect some cards and I don't really have a super rare card at the moment, but yeah. I also picked up these shines. I got two shiny Zygarde event codes, and I'm gonna put him in my game. Probably just store in my box and never use them, but just pretty cool to look at. So get right into this, and yeah. I don't really care about keeping the box nice, but I just like to be a little bit organized. See, it doesn't matter because these things get stuck. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put these cards in my little thing. Here, I'll use this as kind of like a background. Okay. Comes with a little, I think that's a shiny Darkrai little figure. Look at that. It's pretty neat. I'll just put this next to my Pikachu pins and I think my shiny Ho-Oh figurine. Look at that. And here's packs comes in. All 4 shiny legends with shiny Rayquaza on the front of them, which I'm hoping to hunt soon on my, once I get a little further on my Sapphire badge quest, I'll hunt Rayquaza. But let's go ahead through the first one. Let's see. Oh, okay. All right. Now, I think the trick to these are 3 in the back. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I don't know. Okay, maybe. So, here's a Howl, a Damage Mover, Scrafty, Minun, Torkoal, a Quillfish, Squaggy, Torcat, that's reverse, yeah, that's a reverse Scraggy, and Hollow Shane, wait, oh, okay, so it's 4 from the back. That's, oh yeah, okay, the energy's supposed to be in the front. Okay, well, I already have all these. I don't have any of the like shiny legendary cards, which I'm kind of upset. I bought 2 Shining Legends packs, like the $50 packs, and got no shinies at all. Like I got the Shining Ho, that was it, which I'm pretty upset. Not the best luck getting rare cards, but I say my luck's pretty good in the main series games, which I'm more happy about. Uh-oh, it looks like there's a mystery. Please don't be the rare one. Please don't have the rarest card missed up. Alright. So, 4 from the back this time. Here we go. We got Grass Energy, or Leaf Energy, but pretty sure it's called Grass. Hope y'all can see that. Here's a Liepard, an Ultra Ball, Venusaur, Torkoal, Arvesta, Minun, Breloom, Torcat, Reverse, Howl, and Raikou, which I actually don't have this. That's a hollow. Sorry, can you all not see that? Let's see. A hollow Raikou, which that's cool. That'll happen. All right, next pack. It's a green code card. So there might not be anything in this either. All right, water energy. Netcha, Incineroar, a Howl, Great Ball, Ivysaur, Torkoal, Bulbasaur, Pikachu, Buzzell, Hollow, Reverse Hollow Orvesta, and Yveltal, which I already have. Hollow. That is, yeah. Hollow Yveltal. In the last pack. Oh, forgot also. This might actually be the best card in here. Forgot to show the Shining Darkrai GX, which is pretty cool, but I mean, it's, you know, what you get from buying the box. You already know you have it, but it doesn't look like it says promo, but I mean, that doesn't really matter, I guess. Let's get this last pack. Last pack magic. Might have gotten another garbage Shining Legends, maybe. Here's a Grass Energy, Pokemon Breeder, Lily, Super Scoop Up, okay, Pikachu, Torkoal, Totodile, Buzzell. Maybe I do have something good. Plusle, Reverse Hollow Zekrom, and Entei GX, which I already have. But that's still cool. We got 2 GX cards. So that's it. Another garbage pack that cost me $27. But that's fine. I mean, that's cool enough, I guess. Maybe. So yeah, sorry I sound disappointed. I mean, I spent a lot of money buying these cards and haven't really gotten anything too interesting. But yeah, tell me if, comment down below if you like the video, and tell me if y'all like to see any more. It'd be pretty cool if y'all liked it. And just thanks for watching. Bye.